Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to download a photo as PNG from Picsart, and now let's dive right in. Now to download a photo as PNG in Picsart, first open up your Picsart app on your phone, and after opening your Picsart app you land on this interface, which is the home interface of Picsart. Now in order to proceed to download a particular photo as a PNG from a Picsart account, at the bottom of the screen you can see a bunch of icons available for us. Tap on the folder icon at the bottom right corner of the screen just beside the plus icon at the right side. Tap on folder and you land over here, which is the my file section of Picsart. Now to download a particular photo as a PNG in Picsart, you can see on this menu where I'm swiping. If we swipe it to the left, there are the photos, and if you tap on the photos, all of the photos available on our Picsart app will be over here. Now in order to download a photo as a PNG, simply tap and hold on a photo which you want to download, and after that tap on download and it will download it, guys. Now in order to proceed to save it as PNG, you'll be required to get the plus or pro from the Picsart. So after getting that, you can see the save as PNG button over here. Tap on the save as PNG button and the PNG version of your photo will be available or will be downloaded to your phone. And with that being said, guys, this is how to download a photo as PNG in Picsart. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.